About Bad Girls tonight. Bad Girl Ventures provides inspiration, guidance, and cash to women trying to start a business. Here's the story of how a gift from a tri-state businesswoman inspired Bad Girl founder Candace Klein to pay it forward. 9-year-old Rosie Dean understands that farming is a business.
What's this one's name? Do you have a name?
We don't name them because they get turned into ham or pork.
Rosie's family raises hogs on the Dean family farm near Georgetown, Ohio. But this summer, Rosie started her own company, Rosie's Turkey Corner.
I raise midget whites, and they are a breed of turkey, a heritage breed, and they are smaller than most turkeys. And they would be good with the restaurants because of that reason, because the restaurant doesn't have time to cook now a big turkey that takes 6 hours. Would you sign your name if you're signing a check?
Rosie's getting started in the business world with help from her parents, Bill and Beth, and from Bad Girl Ventures, which provides training and loans for a certain kind of woman looking to start a business.
Well, she needs to be a bad girl, which means she's bold, she's brave, she's willing to take risk and fight for what she believes in. She's willing to think outside the lines a little bit.
Bad Girl founder Candace Klein invited Rosie to apply for this summer's class.
This 9-year-old girl has got the fire in the belly. I actually heard her speak at a Cincinnati Magazine event, and she was on a panel, and she was explaining why the locavore movement is so important in farming.
Class members compete for a $25,000 loan and attend 6 weekly business classes.
I was the first in my family to go to college, went to Northern Kentucky University, and wanted to go to law school and was ready to move across the country, was diagnosed with ovarian cancer in April of 2003. And so I had to stay home to go through surgery and treatment. I had no money because all my money went towards medical bills.
Candace knows what it means when someone gives you a chance.
And a woman who I didn't know was introduced to me, Alice Sparks, and we had lunch, and after a 1-hour lunch, she said, "I'm going to pay for you to go to law school."
Alice Sparks chaired the Board of Regents at NKU and has been active in Kentucky politics. She heard about Candace from NKU President Jim Vitruba.
And he said, "She is the most deserving young woman you'll ever meet. You would love her. She's going to be governor of Kentucky and maybe president of the United States." I said, wow.
And when I asked, how could I ever repay you for this amazing gift, she said, find a way to invest in women.
Candace wasted no time. She graduated from Chase Law School and started practicing law in 2008.
And so I became obsessed with alternative forms of finance.
In the short time since she launched BGV in 2010, she's made a name for herself and helped other women realize their dreams.
Even though we only provide one loan in each class, that $25,000 loan, our goal is to try to find as many loans as possible for all 10 of our finalists.
In the past year, Candace and BGV have educated 147 businesses, funded 18, and created 40 jobs.
She's my most successful investment and biggest returns I've ever gotten.
And there's no telling all the ways Alice's investment will pay off for Rosie, who just started 4th grade.
She's going to run probably hundreds of businesses by the time she's in her 40s because she's getting started so young, and I think that's a great message to send to young girls.
Rosie received the message loud and clear. She loves being a bad girl.
I thought it was pretty cool because I was the only kid there. I thought it was pretty cool, and I know I'm going to have to bring proof into school because there's no way they're going to believe me.
So, Rosie, there's your proof. Next Wednesday, a week from today, the class will graduate and BGV will award the scholarship to the winner. The program has been so successful, Candace is starting a class in Cleveland this fall and in Columbus in January. It was so fun to meet all those people.
I'm thinking Rosie Dean's going to be the president.
I think, yeah.
Boy, talk about precocious, huh?